I invest £270 a month, and I know that might not sound like much, but that's exactly the point. I'm not trying to get rich quickly, I'm not trying to time the market, I'm not chasing hype. I'm just building something slowly, steadily, and quietly in the background, while still living a normal life. And that's what this channel is about, showing that you can start small, stay consistent, and still build real wealth over time. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I invest that £270 each month, how I split it between Trading212 and Vanguard, and how I've made the entire process automatic. Before I began investing, I used to think you needed a lot of money to start. I thought investing was only for people with big salaries or big savings, but the reality is simple. It's the habit that matters, not the amount. So I made the decision to start, even with a small number, and over time it's become as normal as any other monthly expense. Here's how I break it down. Every month, £170 goes into Trading212. Most of it goes into broad, diversified ETFs, things like global index funds or the S&P 500. These hold hundreds, sometimes thousands of companies. So I don't have to pick winners. I do hold some individual stocks, like Nvidia, but that's a very small part of my portfolio. My approach is simple. ETFs first, stocks second, consistency always. Then I invest the remaining £100 into Vanguard. I use the FTSE Global All Cap Index Fund in the accumulation version. This fund invests all over the world, and because it's accumulation, the dividends are automatically reinvested. To keep everything balanced, I'm trying to follow a simple structure as I build my portfolio. Around 70% in a global index, around 20% in the S&P 500, and around 10% for my personal picks. This keeps things calm, it keeps things diversified, and most importantly, it keeps things easy to stick to. The real key to all of this is automation. My deposits happen automatically, my investments execute automatically. Automation removes overthinking. It removes fear. And it stops you from making emotional decisions. And look, you don't need to invest £270 a month to begin. If it's £30, that's fine. If it's £10, that's fine. The habit matters more than the amount. Your future self will thank you for simply beginning. By the way, if you're thinking about starting with Trading212, I've added my referral link in the description. If you sign up and meet Trading212's requirements, we both receive a free share. It doesn't cost you anything extra. It's just there if you find it helpful. If you'd like to follow this journey, see how this portfolio grows over time, and build your own wealth slowly and steadily, feel free to subscribe. This channel isn't about hype. It's about consistency, it's about patience, it's about long-term wealth building, one step at a time. Slow, steady, consistent.